friends, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to talk to you about two of my trades from this week. So the first trade is ICICI Securities. In ICICI Securities I made a profit of about 6% ROI, and in the second trade was JK Lakshmi Cements, and in JK Lakshmi I made a profit of 10 to 12%. So in this video I'm going to share to you about these two trades, how I entered, when I exited, what was the stop loss I maintained. So friends, if you are interested in swing trading, this video is going to be very useful for you. So friends, before we get started, I want to quickly remind you of certain things. I teach swing trading. I'm a swing trading coach. I'm also a NSE certified technical analyst, and I use momentum as my strategy to enter and exit from my trades. So if you want to learn how to do swing trading, you can reach out to me. There's a website, an online trading school which I'm conducting, in which I'm teaching swing trading. So you can send in a mail to contact@swingtradershub.com if you want to learn how to do swing trading. Second is, you can there's a Telegram channel called Swing Traders Hub. So in that Telegram channel I share my weekly trades. Whenever I'm taking a trade, I post in it, so it could be useful for you. I also share my technical charts. So if you are interested in technical analysis or in taking swing trades, then this Telegram channel will also be very useful for you. So I will share the links to all these things in the description box. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get into this video. Let's get started. So friends, this is the first trade I took, which is ISEC. So I have taken about 3 to 4 trades. I've taken about 4 to 5 trades this week already. It's only 7th of this month. Only 7 days has passed, and I've already been able to take about 4 or 5 trades using just a capital of 1.5 lakh rupees in this account. So as you can see, I entered over here, friends, on 30th June at 640. 640 was the price at which I bought ICICI Securities, and as you can see, it has given a very good move. But I'm actually sad about this trade because I exited very early. So this is where I exited, friends. I exited at 680. So as you can see, I stayed in the trade from 640 to 680. I was able to book about 40 points, friends, in this trade, which is about 6.4%, and my stop loss was over here at 585. This was my stop loss because I always prefer taking the previous swing low as a stop loss. So this is the present swing low, and the previous swing low was just over here, but since it's the same level, I chose to place my stop loss over here at 587. Because of this, my risk to reward ratio was not very high. But swing trading is like that, friends. You have to focus on generating an income through swing trading. So consistency is what helps you make money through swing trading. So as you can see, if I had not exited, I panicked a little because there was a little bit of resistance. I'm not saying I'm happy about this trade. I'm actually very sad about this trade. Even though I made money, I'm still sad about this trade, because if I had stayed in the trade for a little bit longer, I could have made much more, but I was able to make only about 6.5%. But still, you have to accept certain things in life, like there will always be another trade. Opportunities are like buses, friends. There's always the next one coming. Okay, always keep that in mind. There's always the next trade. There's always another bus coming. If you want to become successful, you have to take the next bus. Okay, always remember that. So this is the trade with ICICI Securities, friends. Now let's look at the next trade, which was JK Lakshmi. So JK Lakshmi was actually a blockbuster trade. So as you can see, it was consolidating for a very long time, friends. Almost 1 month of consolidation was happening. It was going on, and I took the trade over here because I had a very strong conviction that it's going to give a very good move. In fact, this candle you're seeing here, even before it happened, I knew it would happen. I told myself, I knew the kind of breakout it was going to give. That is why I entered into this trade, because I knew there was a very, very good momentum in the stock. See friends, swing trading is all about momentum. Okay, if you can identify momentum, you can do swing trading. So, and that is what I teach in my strategy as well. I teach my momentum strategy. If you want to learn that, it's going to be super useful for you for swing trading. So I entered at 582, my friends, and I placed a stop loss over here at 5555. That was my stop loss. I placed my stop loss over here because I was very confident about the move, and it gave a move, a massive 18% move. So as you can see over here, see 15% move actually. It made a high of 674 in just 3 trading sessions, friends. So I entered on the 1st of July, and by the 6th of July, it had already given a massive 16% move. So of course I was not able to book the entire move. I booked on today is when I booked it. I booked it around 640. So I was able to make a return of 10.25%, friends. So 10% of profit I was able to make from this trade. So these were my 2 trades this week, and I thoroughly enjoyed swing trading. If you are someone who enjoys swing trading, then you should definitely join my Telegram group, and I keep sharing my trades. So if you're interested in trading along with me, you're more than welcome. So that's about it, friends. That's all I wanted to share in this video. If you like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up and sharing your comments about swing trading in this channel or in this video. So friends, if you want to reach out to me, you have my Telegram channel link. So that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. You have a great day there. I hope this video was useful for you. Take care. Bye-bye.